some noise for real friendship, hugging it out, real love, real women holding each other down.
Okay.
That's real.
But if it's sad, why you watching it in the fuck? Stop watching.
And that's what we like to see. Real women standing on business.
That's right.
It ain't always.
If it's sad, stop watching.
That's facts.
It ended in hugs right there. That's how we do. And you can hand the belt both to Rolly and to Slim right there. And that's how we gonna settle it right there. Have a step up. It's all about friendship. And it don't always have to end in a fight. It can end in friendship. Y'all make some noise.
We love it. We love it.
Hug it out. It's a beautiful situation. That's a lot of love.
I'm sorry.
Slim and BBW right here.
We won, baby.
It has been a hell of a show. So you know how we gotta go. We gonna let it happen one more time. I need everybody to turn up and make some noise for my little sister one more time. It's Big Boss Baby.
This is fat in the damn.
You fucking up the game. Told him it was good, so you knew it was the pressure. Burning up the spot, popping up this being extra. All in my comments on my pages being messy.
Listen, little girl. No, it ain't gone. It ain't gonna tell us it's gone. Nick, I'm not ignoring you, Nick. I'm not ignoring you, Nick. I'm not ignoring you, Nick. I said hi to you, Nick. I know you. Oh, you in the quest? I don't see nobody in the quest yet. You in the quest? No, let me see. No, nobody in there. No, it's empty. Unless you're saying something else, let me see. That's probably what you want. Oh, that's probably what you want to do. Oh, that's it is. That's probably what you're looking for. There you go, Nick. That's probably what she want. There you go, Nick. Jennifer Hannon. You said what? What's going on? What you doing? Which mean? You finna send me something? Watch that. You blowing me. Get your ass in my damn line. I'm tired of seeing you. I'm tired of seeing you. Gotta go. Say anything your heart desires. It's no, I need a lot. Say anything. Say anything your heart desires. Say anything. Say anything. And now I got I moved you. Let me have my damn line. Don't come back my damn line. Did I move you before? So, it's my flow.
Lord have mercy, Maggie.
What
you doing?
And you chicken.
That's right, Nick. Tell him.
Yeah.
That's right. You need to tell him. Maggie, calm down. Mm-mm.
Well, um, hi, kitty. Hey, kitty. How you doing, kitty? Hey, kitty. You named that kitty. You named it kitty. I see you, kitty. I see you. You said Maggie. This part might be a little bit hard right here. No, no, wait. That. That was a little bit too hard. You want to meet that? Me too hard. Man, trying to hurt my goddamn tooth. That hurt my damn tooth. I mean, I hear the thing, but if it's too hard, I don't eat it.
Mm-mm.
I lost a lot of teeth. Oh, a lot of teeth. My damn teeth. Ashley. Hey, Ashley. Ashley. Hey, Ashley. You in the Quest? Hey, Ashley. You in the Quest, Ashley? You in the Quest no more, Ashley? You know what? So this is tomorrow, honey. All right.
Yeah, soft ass blocked me.
So they would tell me that not a pay go to. Bye. They would tell me she just been quiet. Want to be seen, Dumbo. No one want to be seen, so she said she got a big mouth up, Dumbo. See this. I said another day. I said we real do this. This honey mustard. What's that? Coleslaw, but they have another coleslaw. So you got to set up with honey mustard. Coleslaw. Set honey mustard. Oh well. It is what it is. Set honey mustard. It is what it is. Right? Honey mustard.
You like honey mustard from I think Wendy's.
What? Honey mustard. Wendy. Put in a damn breast. I don't know. Yeah. Try first. Miss E. That'd be good. I don't know. Rest me put up though. Goddamn. Oh. Overeat now. It's like honey. Put this away too. Put that away. You don't need all that, honey. See, right?
Honey must Grey Poupon with honey.
I need to eat all that now. Trash on. Yeah. That was a week after. That later. You know what I know? We eat the fries. Change the pan. I eat the fries. Change the pan. I'm gonna overeat now. It's kind of late. Right? Late, right?
Hmm?
Late. Don't overeat because late.
Oh,
Me. Put the chicken. Where's the
it's too
chicken?
late for you to be eating that food, Maggie.
No, right.
It's not good to be eating at 2 o'clock in the morning, especially no fries.
That's just a late dinner. Best put myself to put other stuff for the morning. Without chicken, doesn't put that up. This is it's spicy.
It's crackheads across the street.
Mm.
Nah, people across the street from my house, they just making mad noise.
Oh, that's spicy. You know what that means?
But me, they have to sleep.
Maggie. I'm tired as hell. I take medication. I don't know what that means. Don't you?
Mm-mm.
Late. I took the medication already. You know what that means? I start sleeping. You know what that means? Medication start kicking in, honey. Maybe eat food, honey. Took the medication. You're gonna be sleep too, right? You're gonna sleep too, right? I took them out like you. You fool ready to go to that baby. You know that is, right?
Right, maybe.
Right now. Yeah. Took yours already. Why you go to bed yet?
What?
Why you go to bed? Don't you make you go sleep too?
I'm gonna be asleep soon. My puppies just woke up, so once they go back to sleep, I'm going right to sleep.
I see some more of this. I'll be too. All that. Sure. I'm doing that. Yes. Walk me here. What the hell? Buying you sleep. For buying you, man. Find me. They been in my age. Everybody.
I don't know. Yorkie mommy in here.
Good. Here.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe not. Fine. Great. Early.
Neek here. Both boutique is here.
Neat guy.
Bonnie and Britt probably sleep. Well, Bonnie probably working, but Britt probably sleep.
Follow me, but name I ain't. Mandy can't be shit.
Hmm?
Candy. I see Debbie, she probably sleeping too. Debbie, yeah. But you know, I don't want Jennifer. Well, she ain't gonna, you up to Jennifer. I'm surprised you never cut the lines in bed with me.
Mm.
Follow I'm surprised Jimmy don't never. Why you never come to the lounge and in bed with me?